If you're experiencing login issues with Klarna, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update the app or browser. If you're using the Klarna app, make sure it is updated to the latest version. If you're logging in through a web browser, ensure that your browser is also up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Step 5. Contact Klarna support. If you've tried all the above steps and still can't log in, reach out to Klarna's customer support. They can assist you with account-specific issues and help you regain access. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues with Klarna. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.